morning, crafty peeps. I have a new project share for you. This is a guest design team project for craftyscity.com. So if you are interested in these gorgeous shabby chic Italian papers, you'll want to visit www.craftyscity.com. And this collection is a kit that was sent to me by Archana, which is gorgeous. Okay. It is by Stamperia and is called Ceremony. And as you can see, this is how gorgeous these papers are. I think she may have some of these left, but I'm not sure for the kits. So you may still want to come check it out. In order to purchase the kits, you have to visit her Facebook page, which is Shabby Paper Hub, www.craftycity.com. But all you have to do is type in Shabby Paper Hub and you'll find it. And if you have any of your projects that you want to share that you created from Archana's store, Crafty City, you can share that on her other Facebook page called Shabby Paper Pub with a P-U-B. Okay, so let's get into what I made. So this is a little chipboard dresser, and it turned out so cute. Let me kind of zoom in a little bit more here so we can get a better idea. Isn't it cute? So shabby-licious. Now there's a few things that I added in here myself, which of course was a chipboard album itself. I have lots of those. And then a few other of the chipboard pieces are from my own stash, okay? So I'm going to let you know what those pieces are. But this came with the Prima pearls right here with these acrylic roses. So gorgeous, and I just love how dainty and gorgeous this little flower is here. And also we have a bunch of the Wild Orchid Craft flowers. And the laces are from what she sent me as well, along with a seam binding ribbon. So this little chipboard album didn't originally come with drawers, and I just thought I would make some, so it made a little more sense. But look at how gorgeous this paper collection is underneath here. It's just amazing. So let me start. Oh, and again, she did send us some of these I don't know if they're acrylic or what they are, but these beautiful little feathers right here, so precious. And again, I used some of the laces underneath here, and this is one of the beautiful little acrylic hand pieces, and again, another one of the feathers and some more of the flowers. Just absolutely amazing what you can create with this. And this actually, I did make this a little tuck spot, so if I can show you that right here. So you could just place a photo right underneath there. Again, this is kind of bride themed or a bride to be. So you can make some awesomely gorgeous wedding invitations with this collection. But just opens up right here so you could do some photos, journaling, and again on this side as well. So if you have like a wedding shower and you use one of your little cameras, you could definitely go ahead and take photos and just put them right on here. So easy. And then we have one of the journaling cards, save the date. You can put a photo on the back here or the information about your wedding shower. Again, more of these gorgeous, yummy laces. Now right here, this is from one of the dies that she sent me that came in the kit. And I'm going to show you those two dies. So she sent me a floral die and then this leaf die. And actually, there's still a piece left in there. I was wondering what happened to that. But anyway, so I think it turned out really cute. And all I did was use one my little mouse pad right here and one of these little clay tools to shape my flowers and my leaves, okay? So I think it turned out really cute. Again, the chipboard and these little wooden pieces came from my own stash, but I just love how this turned out. So let's go on to the next page. Again, look at how gorgeous this collection is. It's absolutely stunning. I used some of my acrylic stuff from my stash, but like I said, the laces and almost everything is from her. And that's what I love about it. So I made this another tuck spot right here, so you could put in just photos or whatever you want to do right there. And then here is a little floral die. And I will say this, so when you purchase this, only a couple of the flowers are divided. I ran this through 3 times. I used a pink piece of paper, and then I used a blush. Simon Says stamp called Rosy Cheeks, okay? That's one of my favorite dye colors, aside from the new one that Archana just sent me in the last kit, which is Branch Bark by Prima. This is one of her chalk distressors. Love it. Okay. Anyway, so let me just kind of go on and tell you if I can kind of explain this. So I actually used my scissors to separate some of these to make it look more hyper realistic, if that makes any sense. And then of course she sent me these gorgeous little Prima like I call them like little stickers, but they're little crystal stickers. Aren't they cute? And so I just kind of fussy cut some of these out of the collection, inked them on the edges, and then added the little crystals on there. Okay, so I love how those turned out. And again, I made this like a tuck spot. So in other words, I only glued right here. And I used E6000. You don't have to use that, but you know, I like that. Oh, and I forgot to mention, I did make this another little tuck spot, so you can just slide the photo right in there. And this is from the Maggie Holmes that I got from Tuesday morning, and then again, another one of my wood embellishments, and I don't even know where that came from. I just found it in my bag of wooden stash bits. So here's another one. This one, she gave us some pearls, and I absolutely love those, and I definitely incorporated them wherever I possibly could in here. Again, more of the flowers from what she sent. Love, love, love. And again, a couple more of the wooden chippies from my collection of stuff that I have in my stash. Look at this gorgeous lace in here. Love, love, love. More of the flat back pearls that she sent. Again, more of the wild orchid craft flowers. Look at these. So cute. Every once in a while, in the middle of an ordinary life, love gives us a fairy tale. So cute. Love that saying. Again, here's another one of the Maggie Holmes, MH, little photo things. And again, I made a tuck spot behind, and also so that you could slide the photo right underneath there. Again, I used more of the Prima little embellies that she sent me, crystal embellishments. This is my own little acrylic rose, but I absolutely love everything that she sent to me. So I used almost all of it for this. Again, another Maggie Holmes, and add a little daydream on here, just some of my own little embellishments that I have to really super shabby this up. I love the chatem. Again, you can write on the back here, place a photo here if you want to. And that is the end. So I hope that you all love this project, and definitely visit Archana's store, www.craftycity.com, or her Facebook page, Shabby Paper Hub. Thanks, y'all. Bye.